Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to change your display name on Skype. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Skype app on your phone. Then tap on your profile picture from the top of the screen. This will open the menu. In the Manage section, tap Skype Profile. Tap the pencil icon next to your current display name. Delete your current name. And then enter your new display name. After that, tap on Done. That's it. Your name has been changed. So in this way, you can change your display name on Skype. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.